KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my chicken paprikash. It just tastes amazing and it is really cheap and easy to do. Alright, let's get on with it. First thing I've got my little chopper that helps me dice things up a little bit nice and easy, and I've got one onion that I finely diced using my little chopper. Okay, and I'm going to use around about half a green capsicum as well. I'm just going to put that through my little chopper, so we're going to end up with these nice fine dice. Right, very, very simple. And yeah, I use one of these machines now due to my MS. It just makes things a little bit safer and a little bit easier for me. And there we go, all of that is cut. So here I've got around about a kilo of chicken thighs, and I'm going to put a little bit of flour on the top and mix that through and add a little bit more. We want to try and get the flour coating every single piece of chicken. It's going to help thicken our sauce up and help brown this chicken up just nice and beautifully. Alright, so 1 kilo chicken thighs, a little bit of flour, stirry, that's it. Right, we've got around about 50 grams worth of butter that can go straight into a fry pan, just like I'm doing there. We're going to start melting that down, just like that. We're not going to have a very high heat. We're going to cook this on a medium type heat. In goes all of our capsicum bits and onion. That can go straight in just like that. Right, really nice and simple so far, and this is a really easy recipe, and it'll feed a family of 4 really easily, and we'll even give you maybe a little bit extra for lunch the next day. We're going to soften the capsicum and onion down. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of smoked paprika. You can use the normal paprika if you don't have smoked, doesn't really matter. Give that a little bit of a fry off and get the flavors all happening. And I've got 2 tablespoons of tomato paste concentrate. I'm putting that straight in, and I'm going with a salt reduced one in this case because our next ingredient is going to have a little bit of salt in it. There's not many ingredients for this dish. Give all of that a stir around, and the smell and the flavour is already assaulting your nostrils, believe it or not. Okay, we're going to start adding our chicken pieces straight in on top of all those little bits of veggies that we've got sitting in there. They can go straight in on top, just like that. And it's going to take a little bit of time to do this, so I'm going to fast forward for you to save you the pain and agony of watching me put chicken into a pan. 1 kilo of chicken thighs is a fair bit. Right, I've left that sit for around about 3 to 4 minutes and get a little bit of brownage and a little bit of absorption happening with all of those beautiful flavors that we've got happening. Give those a turn over, just like I'm doing right there. Now, if you haven't had chicken paprikash before, you don't know what you're missing. This tastes amazing, and it's so simple and tender the way we end up cooking this. I'm going to add in about 2 cups worth of chicken stock. That can go straight in just like that. I might have added in a touch more. Doesn't really matter because the flavour in the end is what makes it really happen. I'm going to put the lid on just like that at a nice simmer, and I'm going to let that simmer away for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, 20 to 25 minutes has gone by, and I'm going to add in probably, let's say, half a cup's worth of sour cream. That can go straight in, maybe a little bit more, doesn't matter. You can add more or less as you want. That's just going to give this sauce a nice creamy flavour. Now in the meantime, Mrs. KP is on the other side of the kitchen and she's getting some pasta shells ready. She's cooking those up, and you could use pasta shells, you could use macaroni spirals, orecchiette. Those would be the better types of pasta to use. I wouldn't use a spaghetti, but there we go. There goes our pasta shells. They're not monster, they're just a large pasta shell. They can go straight in, and we don't really need to go much further with that. You could put a bit of butter through that pasta if you want to, but all we have to simply do now is take out our thighs, serve that up on the plate. As you can see, I've got a tea towel down of the same colour as the paprika, and that is to protect my bench, okay, because the paprika will stain your bench, believe it or not. Add a little bit of that beautiful gravy over the top, just like that, and before you know it, you have got the most amazing chicken paprikash. So easy and inexpensive to do. Right, love to see you try and make this one at home. It is simple, tastes amazing. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. If you don't like this video, hit that like button because I said so. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something like this, a nice Hungarian, a Mediterranean, a little bit of a European type dish like this. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. After I eat my chicken paprikash, and I will catch you next time. Bye.